Hi guys, today we received package from Infosys. Let's see what's inside the box. We received welcome kit from Infosys. In this welcome kit, we receive one pen, one card holder, one Infosys logo invigilator, one diary, and water bottle. This water bottle is made up of steel. So this kind of stuffs we get inside the welcome kit. This is the welcome kit. This is card holder, which is made up of metal. This is the letter from Infosys, which welcoming us abroad. This is Infosys package invigilator where we see the logo. When we have to download the application to see the logo upper the box. We can see it later how this box works, and you also see the videos in other videos. We also got a pen with Infosys branding. I think it's good quality. Also we receive a diary from Infosys to note down some points. So that's it guys. I hope you like the video.